Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can create variations listings on eBay, or how you can add like multiple variations on eBay listing. Now for example, if you have a product with different colors, with different sizes, I'm going to be showing you how you can like list a product with different variations. Okay, so for example, this t-shirt, as you can see here guys, it has the color, different colors, like two different colors, black and this color, and also the size here has like multiple sizes. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can do this. Okay, so first thing you need to do guys, you want to click here where it says sell. Okay, just list the item, click on sell. You can also change your you change the listing that you already have. You can just click on edit and it will take you guys directly to the listing to edit it so that you can add different variations. But today I'm going to be showing you how you can create a new listing with different variations. Okay, so click on create listing, click on single listing, and after that then you want to search here for the title. For example, I'm going to sell a t-shirt. Okay, t-shirt for adults. I'm going to click on search. I'm going to click on continue without match. Okay, so here if it's a new item, click on new. If it's used, you can just click on used. Click continue to listing. Alright, now after you are on this page, you want to add here the pictures of the item. So I would like to add like I said, my t-shirt. Now this t-shirt has different colors and different sizes. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can do it. Now you can do the exact same step for any product you have. For example, if you have like a physical product, digital, whatever, you can create different variations. Now scroll down a little bit, and here if you scroll down a little bit, you will see here variations, as you can see. Now save time and money by listing multiple variations of your item in one multi-quantity fixed price listing. So that's exactly what you guys need to do. You just click here on edit. As you can see next to variations, click on it. Keep in mind this is not going to be available for all products or all items. Okay, if you cannot see this variations section here, that means your product, it doesn't support like multiple variations. I'm sorry, it just went back, so I'm going to go back to the exact same place. Okay, so I'm going to, yeah, like I said, scroll down and here you will see here variations. You want to click here on edit. All right, now after guys you click on edit here, or it says attributes. I hope I pronounced this correctly. I don't know exactly how to pronounce this word. It's very hard for me because like English is not like my native language. So I'm going to attributes. Okay, so attributes, as you can see here guys, in the attributes probably you will see like two like random features here or options. Just remove them. Okay, just remove them and click on add new, and here you can add, for example, color. If you cannot see here color, you can also add your own attributes. Here at the bottom you can click on add your own, and you can then write their color. Now if you can see it here, just select it. If your product has color like different colors, different size type, as you can see, you can add them there. Now as you can see the color, after you click on color, make sure you click on color, and then you want to select the colors. Here I have a t-shirt, for example, for me I have t-shirt with black color and blue color. The size here you can add here your own, click on your own, for example XL, click add. Here you can, if your product has only for example has only different colors, you can just ignore this part. Okay, as you can see, if you are like for example regular, big and tall, for example, as you can see. Now after that you want to click on continue. All right, now after that after you click on continue, then what you guys need to do here is you want to click here on color. Okay, where it says color, click on it. Now here you have black, like I said, and blue. Now you want to select black, and you want to add the black t-shirt first here, and you want to click on blue, and you want to add the blue t-shirt so that they can so that people that's like okay, so this is not really like this is not blue, but you know, you get the point. You just need to add here the color, the products with that same color if you have like products with different colors. So that's it. And here, as you can see, the black color and the blue color, you can also make the price different. You can also like charge more for the black color if you want. Here, as you can see, it says here the price. You can add, for example, $100 for the black color. The blue color, I'm going to sell it, for example, for $90, or you can add the same price. Okay, the quantity, you can also change the quantity if you want to. If you have like 3 different quantities or with the black color, you can add it here. But if you only have two items with blue color, you can add here 2, so that you don't have a problem with the stock. Okay, so after that, here you can add here the default photos. Click on add computer, and you can add here the photos of your product, random photos, all the photos, including black, white, whatever color you have on your product. Now the most important thing here is to add the specific color for a specific item for each color. That's why you have to come to here where it says add variation photos, and you want to select your color. And as you can see, we have successfully added black color. As you can see, we have added the blue color, we have added it. Okay, so after that, you want to click on save and continue, and that's it, guys. Okay, so you just need to now yeah, you just need to list the product. Okay, just add your description, everything, and list the product. I'm going to click on preview, as you can see here. So that's exactly, guys, how you can add different variations to your eBay listing. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. If, like I said, just go to the comments below and tell me exactly your questions. I reply to everyone. See you guys next video.